Hi, you are welcome to solve this math problem of x square root of x is equal to 1 to find the values of x from this equation. Now, solution. To solve this problem here, if we just check from here x square root of x is equal to 1, when we from our problem x square root of x is equal to 1, some will just check here and substitute 1, so it will be 1 square root of 1 is equal to 1. So here 1 times square root of 1 it is 1 is equal to 1. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is not the only solution. We have other solutions. Now the correct way to solve this problem, from here it is x times square root of x into exponent is same as x power of a half is equal to 1. Then here x is same as x power of 1. So multiplication of exponent with same base of x but different power is same as same base of x. Then we take this power plus this power, so power of 1 plus a half is equal to 1. Then here it will be x power of 1 over 1. Here the same of 1 and 2 it is 2, so here over 2. Then 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1 it is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 it is 1 is equal to this 1. Then here it will be x power of 2 times 1 it is 3. 3 over 2 is equal to 1. Then into here, this denominator of 2 in the power will remove this, so multiply by power of 2 in both sides. So it will be x power of 3 over 2 bracket into here multiply by power of 2 is equal to 1. Also into this side multiply by power of 2. So here to simplify this 2, you cancel this 2, so it will be x power of 3 is equal to 1 square, it is 1. Then here we'll take 1 to the left side, so it will be x power of 3, 1 take this side to be minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here it will be x power of 3 minus 1 to have power of 3 to be 1 power of 3 is equal to 0. So here this x power of 3 minus 1 power of 3 is in the form of a power of 3 minus b power of 3 is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square bracket. So here when you compare a power of 3 with x power of 3, then here a is equal to x. When you compare b power of 3 with 1 power of 3, then b is equal to 1. Then we'll apply this form here. So we'll substitute a and b, which is x and 1. So a minus b, it will be x minus 1. So here x minus 1 bracket a square, it will be x square. Then plus ab, it will be x times 1, it is x, plus b square, it will be 1 square bracket is equal to this 0. Then here it will be x minus 1 bracket x square plus x plus 1 square, it is 1 bracket is equal to 0. Then here we have two solutions. This first solution of x minus 1 is equal to 0, and this second solution of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here take negative 1 to this side, so it will be x is equal to 1. So this is the first solution, which is real solution. Then to solve from this quadratic equation, we'll use quadratic formula. Now coefficients, a is equal to coefficient of x squared, it is 1. B is equal to coefficient of x, it is 1. And C is equal to constant, it is 1. So we'll apply quadratic formula to find the values of x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So here it will be x is equal to negative b, it is 1, plus or minus square root of b square to 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1. Then over 2 times a, it is 1. then into here it will be x. So x is equal to -1 plus or minus, so here -1 plus or minus square root 1 squared is 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1 is 4, so 1 minus 4, so here 1 minus 4 over 2 times 1 it is 2. So here it will be x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 is -3 over 2. So here it will be x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of -3 is same as square root of 3 times square root of negative to be -1, then over this 2. So here it will be x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of -1 it is I times this square root of 3 over this 2. So from here we have two complex solutions. Now our conclusion. This here is the first value of x. The second value of x is equal to, from here when it is positive is -1 plus I square root of 3 over 2. So here -1 plus I square root of 3 over 2. The third value of x is equal to, here when it is negative is -1 minus I square root of 3 over 2. So here -1 minus I square root of 3 over 2. So these are all the values of x into this our problem. We have one real solution of 1 and 2 complex solutions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.